friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a brand new product for review. In today's video we are going to review the Tata Salt Rock Salt. This is a rock salt from Tata Salt. Tata Salt has been a popular salt brand in India for decades right now. People have been using Tata Salt for quite some time, and now Tata Salt has come up with a new brand of salt that they have here is a rock salt. So we have been using table salt in cooking for quite some time now, which was branded by Tata, and now Tata Salt has come out with rock salt. Now generally the table salt that we use is nothing but sodium chloride with iodine in it, and which is enriched with iodine, right? So and it is white in color, whereas the rock salt is basically pink in color, and it is sodium and chloride, but along with the sodium and chloride it also has traces of some other essential minerals like potassium, calcium and magnesium in it. So that is what makes this salt a bit more beneficial than your normal table salt. So that's why Tata has brought us the new Tata Salt Rock Salt, which has trace minerals in it. This is a daily use salt from Tata. Again, it can be added for cooking, etc. And let's start off. So we will be reviewing the salt today. So let's start off with a review of it. First of all, we can see this is a 200-gram pouch that I have of the Tata Rock Salt. So right here we can see the Tata branding, Tata Salt branding right on top. You can see that. And right below it is a name, which is the rock salt is mentioned here. And here it says with natural trace minerals. So this salt contains natural trace minerals. It's a completely vegetarian product. And let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a nice small pouch here, which has a ziplock to it. So it has a ziplock which helps you to store your salt in this pouch itself. So you don't need another separate dabba or a utensil to store or a storage can for it. So you can store it in this pouch itself and use as per your need. Then you can see there is a transparent part here from where you can actually see the salt, and when you look at it, it looks quite different than the table salt that we use. The table salt that we use is very fine and powdery and very white in color, whereas the rock salt has a pinkish color to it and looks more like sand. If you look at it, it looks more like sand, right? Because it has various trace minerals in it, and it has a pinkish color which comes from these trace minerals like magnesium and potassium give it that color. Moving on to the back side of the product, they are mentioned here. The ingredients are rock salt, also known as Senda salt in India. It's a 100% vegetarian product. Coming to the nutritional facts, it shows here every 100 gram contains 0.03 grams of potassium, 0.03 grams of magnesium and 0.06 grams of calcium in it, which is not present in your normal table salt, right? So these trace minerals are present in the rock salt. The net weight of this package is 200 gram and it is priced at rupees 30. Today if you go to buy a 1 kg pack of Tata Salt, that will cost you rupees 17 or rupees 18. But the Tata Salt Rock Salt is priced at rupees 30 for 200 grams. Yes, it is on the pricier side because of the health benefits that the rock salt offers. Plus the availability of rock salt is much lesser compared to your normal sea salt that is available, right? That makes it more expensive because it is rare. Yeah. Coming to the shelf life of the packet of the salt, that is 24 months from packaging. Let's talk about the different benefits that including rock salt in your diet will have for you. So rock salt is known to manage your blood pressure. It helps you manage your blood pressure. It helps you manage your blood sugars. It helps you manage the hormone levels in the body. It aids with digestion. Rock salt for ages has been used for treating digestive issues, for treating sore throat. You gargle with warm water and rock salt and you will get instant relief from sore throat. So yeah, those are the various benefits this salt has for you, like when you include them in your daily diet or use it like a home remedy for these smaller issues. So due to so many benefits of it and the rare availability of the rock salt, the cost of the product is a bit on the higher side compared to your normal table salt. But yes, it is worth the price because it brings so many health benefits. So guys, let's go ahead and open this packet and see how does the rock salt actually look and feel and taste right now. So here we have, they are given a place where you need to cut it open. So I'm just going to tear it open from that part. On the same lining, we are just tearing it open. To make sure you don't cut it below this golden line because that's where the zip. You don't cut it below the golden line because that's where your zip lock is, right? So here I've cut it. And here you can see there's a zip lock here. So I just need to tightly press it and it is locked. It comes in a Ziploc pouch, which is good, and you can easily open and close it. You don't need a separate container to store it. So guys, here it is, the rock salt. I hope you all can see it. So this is a Tata rock salt. I'm going to remove some on the plate and show you all as well. So I have removed some rock salt here on this plate to show you all. Let me direct my camera to the salt so that you can see. So guys, I have removed some rock salt here on the plate and you all can actually see the rock salt here. You can see the rock salt crystals here. You can see the color is not white, it has various colors, but the major color is a pinkish brown to it. And you can see like sugar, the crystals are like sugar. The salt crystals look like sugar here for the rock salt in comparison to the table salt we use. It looks very much different. So you see it's not as fine as the table salt that we get. It sticks behind like sand, and it has various trace minerals like potassium, magnesium and calcium in it. So also while using it for cooking, you will require 1/4 quantity than what you use in your table salt because it is much more saltier compared to table salt. So this is how the texture is. It has a rough texture to it, but it dissolves easily in water. So yeah, this is the texture of the rock salt. The color is pinkish in color. It has a rough texture to it, like a crystalline texture to it. It has a crystalline texture to it. You can see it more closely. You can see these crystals. They are crystals of sugar. These are rock crystals basically. I'm zooming into it so you will see every crystal near me. So this is basically the rock salt from Tata. So guys, let's go ahead and do a quick taste test to see how the salt tastes. This is going to be a taste test of the Tata rock salt. I'm just going to take a pinch of the salt and put it in my mouth and see how it tastes. I have a pinch of salt in my hand, and this is a taste test of the Tata rock salt. Very salty. A bit different flavor it has. Quite salty. Like compared to your table salt, this salt is quite salty, so you'll require much lesser quantity to add to the food that you cook. Do not put as much as you would put a table salt, otherwise your dishes will come out salty. So add little, taste your dish, and then add as per your requirement, but don't add the same quantity as much as your table salt because this is more saltier than table salt. So guys, this was my review on the Tata salt rock salt. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing informational videos.